Hey YouTube! So today I am playing Jailbreak again. It's like today I'm playing Jailbreak, and I will single-handedly. Okay, I'm gonna put the helicopter in the criminal base. Yeah, but not the city base, the mountain base. It's kind of gonna be hard. It's kind of gonna be easy. I've done this before, and yeah. You guys think I can do this? Leave a like if you guys think I can do this. So if you guys are hyped for this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And so you guys can see I have a $12,000 bounty. I kind of don't want to be at least with this card. But yeah, I want my bounty to be high. Real high. I want it to be like over 20,000. Yes. Okay, so now let's grab the helicopter. And then we're gonna fly to the criminal base. Okay. I really hope I do not die. I really hope we do not die though. So, okay. I'm gonna get in. Let's get 5. And look at my money, guys. I'm kind of close. Oh no, the train. I want to do it, but I don't want to do it. I can't. I wanted to do it, but I can do it later. Guys, there's icebergs in the lake, by the way, guys. You guys did not know that. And this is now white. This whole map is white. It's like really. Okay, since I'm a criminal, so let me in. This is gonna be really easy. What did I tell you guys? Okay. Oh, but how am I gonna get this out? Is there even enough space? Okay. Get down. Wait. Is there even enough space? Wait, please, wait. I think I do. No. Come on. Stop it. Go. Yes. I'm also going to do one more thing, guys, because I know this is going to be like a really short video. So I'm just going to do one more thing. So I'm going to go to the edge of the map and then see how far I can go. Go as high as I can into the edge of the map. See where I can go. Let's see if we can get all the way to the other end of the map. But before we do this, there used to be some holes in here. I am wondering if they are. They really are. Oh. Okay. So this should be like the end of the map. This should be. Let me just go up. Oops. Okay. I want to get like the angle to the prison. Okay. This is as high as I can go, I guess. So ready? Then go. Okay. Yeah. So guys, I have a $12,000 bounty. I felt like I was falling. I have a $12,000 bounty. I'm in a VIP server, but I was not playing like for hours and hours on this VIP server to get this bounty because you could take like 1-0 off. As you guys know that it takes 1-0 off. Okay, I'm kind of close to the ground, and I really don't want to fall. One time I did this, and I went to the pumpkin patch, like somewhere in the middle of the pumpkin patch. But I do not know where the pumpkin patch is. No one knew there's a pumpkin patch there anymore. Okay, I'm okay. I'm almost there. Doesn't look like I'm falling either. Leave a like. I'm about to go make it to the prison. Oh no! I have to turn. I didn't do the angle right. Come on. I can do this. Okay, it doesn't look like we're close to the ground. Ooh, okay, put in the comments down below if you think we're going to make it in the prison or past it or before it. I really think we're making I really think we're going to make it past the prison. Because I'm thinking of the prison right now, and it doesn't seem that big in my mind from what my height, how high I am right now. So, yeah, right here. It's not like anything's gonna hit me. Yeah, I really think I'm gonna make it past. Okay, I'm almost there. See, it looks so small. I wonder how that is. Oh, okay, it is bigger. I was like, this is only one spot, and then this makes it seem so. See, guys, I'm right here. I made it. I was right. It was like past the prison. Yes. But let's see. But I'm gonna see how far I can go from. I'm still parachuting. Once I hit the end. So now go here. Okay. I was going down. Okay, so now let's see. I'm definitely not gonna make it back. And guys, the pumpkin patch is gone. No more pumpkins. I wonder where I'm going. How I'll be able to go. I wonder where I'll be. Okay. I think I know. Right at that little mound place. A little before. It seems like yeah, that mound place. I was about to say before it, but it's definitely not going to do that now. Yeah, I'm going straight to it. Yeah. Well, so this was kind of a short video, guys. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I'm about to hit the sign. So this is where no, it was right in front of the sign. Well, I technically would have made it past the sign, but so if you guys like the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you are new. And I'll see you guys next time.